Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sobia Sohail is here. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Hopefully doing well. So, my topic was going factorization. In my previous videos regarding this topic, I have explained countdown 8 factorization from countdown 8 and unit number 15. A few questions I have already solved. So let me start from the question number 16. X times x square minus y square. Okay. As I'm writing this question, my dear students, I want to say that speaking about the algebraic expression in the perfect way is also very important because it is automatically make your concepts more clear. Okay. So whenever you're writing about that, so speak up in the correct language. X square plus 4xy plus 3y square divided by x square minus xy over x plus 3y. Okay, as we are doing the topic of the factorization, so I told that whatever the topic of factorization, whatever the formation of algebraic expression could be there, you need to factorize each expression present in the question. Okay, so in this question, see, first there is an expression here, 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 and here. So let's start from the first expression, how we can factorize this first. Okay, so if I'm taking it, take x times x square minus y square. So first we have to see the first rule, that is, can we take something common or any number or any variable common from here? So x is outside already, so it's a factor. Okay, out of x square minus y square there is nothing common. So now we need to check any identity can be used over here. So yes, identity a square minus b square can be used here. So we will use that one, and it will be x square minus y square will be x plus y and x minus y. Okay, using the same identity. What was our identity? That the questions in a question terms will be like this one, so they will factorize like this. So I'm highlighting the reference identity also. Now this is completely factorized. Okay, after this, take the denominator. First numerator is solved, take the denominator. Now take this one, x square plus 4xy plus 3y square. Again the first rule, check whether anything can be common or not. No factor is common because x here, here, not here. Y here, here, not here. 4 and 3, no common factor. So we cannot take any factor common. That's why square completing method we can check. This is a whole square, but 3 is not a whole square number. So square completing method also not working here. So the most favorite method of students also, the splitting the middle term method or midterm breaking method, in which we will take sum and product. Okay, so what is the sum? Sum is the coefficient of the middle term, that is plus 4. Always write down the sign also with that. Product is 1 3s are 3, positive 3. Now make the factors of the 3. Factor means which number can divide 3. 1, obviously a factor of all the numbers because 1 can divide all the numbers. So 3 can be divided by 1, 1 3 times 3. Okay, so 1 3s are 3. These are the factor, and on adding these two factor we can get 4 also. So when adding the factor giving this number, use this sign with both of the factor. Okay, so these are our factor. Write down here x square plus 1 time the same variable and plus 3 times the same variable. Okay, so now we can take the common from the first two term and from the last two terms. From x square plus xy, x here, here also. So we can take x common. Now first term divide by x, x left. Second term divide by x, y left. Okay, plus 3 common, y square, y common. Now first term divide by 3y, x left, plus second term divide by 3y, only 1y left. Okay. After that, x plus y common from the both terms. From the first term, x left, from the second term, plus 3y, and this is completely factorized. Go on to the third expression now. Third expression is take x square minus xy. Again, x can be common clearly. Here left x minus, when x common, y left. This is completely factorized. Okay. Now what we can do, this is very important step, that what we can do after completely factorizing all the expression. One expression is left, x plus 3y, but looking at this expression, it is very much clear that it is already in the simplified form. So no need to factorize this expression. So only this can be factorized, this, and we already have made the factor of these three expressions. Now what we will do, now first, I'm again repeating, first factorize each expression. Okay. After that, write down the question again. I'm writing them as it is, especially the first term, x square plus 4xy plus 3y square. There are only two terms. Okay. First and second, and their division sign. In this step, we can change division sign into multiplication because it's not bringing much change. Easily you can keep that step in the mind, that reciprocal of this we are writing here. Okay, no any other change, only reciprocal of this fraction will be written, x square minus xy. Now after writing the question almost in the same way, now we will replace each expression with its factor. First expression, the factors are x times x plus y and x minus y divided by the fraction of this factors of these expressions are x plus y and x plus y and x plus 3y multiply by x plus 3y as it is, and this one expression, the factor of this one are x times x minus y. I will write here. Okay. So here, after changing all the expression into the factor form, now we will check the simplification. Means first we do all factorization. After that, we will come to simplification now, or reducing the fractions. So in the first, x cannot be cancelled or can be cancelled. Yes, it is cancelling with this x. Now the second factor, x plus y, can be cancelled with any factor. Yes, this is cancelled with this one factor. X minus y, x minus y. This can be cancelled with this. This cancelled by this. So the term left in the numerator is only 1. Means nothing. So 1 will be there. So the term left in the denominator also all cancel by 1 time. So we can write it 1 by 1 always equal to 1. So this completely solved till here. Okay. Next I will start now question number 17. The question is a plus 3 divided by a square minus 3a plus 2, and then plus a plus 2 divided by a square minus 4a plus 3, and then plus a plus 1 divided by a square minus 5a plus 6. First we need to factorize the denominator. Okay, then we will continue for the question. So take this denominator. This is completely factorized. It cannot be more simplified. So we will take this one. Only this expression, a square minus 3a plus 2. This can be solved by the sum and product midterm breaking method. Sum is minus 3, product is 2 ones are 2. So the factors of product are 1 2s are 2. On adding it is giving 3. So when on adding the factor giving this number, use this sign with both. Okay. Now take these numbers, a square minus a minus 2a plus 2, and then a common, a minus 1, minus 2 common, a minus plus minus 1 equals to a minus 1 common and a minus 2. Okay, if you have sometime the short time, sometimes the students are just taking from this expression to the factor form easily, they can do in that also. So what is the procedure of that one? If the polynomial or this expression is starting with the coefficient 1, okay, if quadratic expression have coefficient 1, okay, so what you will do, write down this variable and minus 1 this factor. Then again a, write down this variable and minus 2 with this factor. So the shortcut of writing the factors will be done. Okay, next is we have to write down the factor of, this is already in the factor form, this is already in the factor form, so we will factorize this denominator also and this denominator. So let's go for the next calculation. I will write this up here so that it can go in the continuity. Now take the next, a square minus 4a plus 3. Again sum and product method, which is very easy. Sum is the coefficient of this minus 4. Product means 3 and 1s are plus 3. So factorize the product number. 1 3s are 3. On adding it is giving 4. That's why minus 1 here, minus sign here. So a square minus 1a minus 3a plus 3. Take a common, a minus 1 left. Minus 3 common, a minus plus minus 1. A minus 1 common and it is left a minus 3. Again I am telling you the same shortcut. If you want to write, you can write in that way also. This is the variable with coefficient 1. Write the variable minus 1 factor here. Again write the variable minus 3 factor over here. So factorization can be done in a shortcut way like this also. Next one is that the last term, take a square minus 5a plus 6. So sum is minus 5 and product is plus 6. So when we are making the product, 1 6 are 6. On subtraction it is giving 5. When on subtraction it is giving this number, so use this sign with big, opposite, small. In this case what happened, that when we want to satisfy, the product should be positive 6, but its product is going negative 6. That's why we cannot still take this pair. We have to think about the next factor pair. 1 6 are 6. Okay, it's not working. 2 3s are 6. Yeah, on adding it is giving this, so same sign both. Now on multiplication they are giving positive sign, so we can choose this one. So this I'm writing in the short form, that how to solve a minus 2, a minus 3 factors. Okay, now write down the question here. Sorry, a minus 2, a square minus 3a plus a square minus 3a plus 2 plus a plus 2 over a square minus 4a plus 2 plus a plus 1 a square minus 5a plus 6. So upper one stay as it is, lower one, the factors are a minus 1 and a minus 2. Okay, plus upper one stay as it is, lower one, the factors of these are a minus 1 and a minus 3. This one. Then next term, a plus 1 divided by, the factor of this are a minus 2 and a minus 3. Okay, we have to check the LCM for making the denominator same. In this way we will check common factor, all the common factor and all the non-common factor. A minus 1 here, so it's a common. A minus 2 here, it's a common factor. A minus 3 here, it's a common factor. So product of all these factors are giving the LCM. Okay, once we establish the LCM, we have to make all the denominator equal to LCM. Okay, once find out the LCM, then make all the denominators equal to LCM. Okay, so when we are making it equal to LCM, we have to write that term again. A minus 1 is here, a minus 2 is here, a minus 3 is missing. Okay, I enclose that in the separate bracket so that it's not disturbing in the working. So a minus 3 is missing, a minus 3 and a minus 3, up and down you can multiply. Now second term, a plus 2 over a minus 1, a minus 3. A minus 1 here, a minus 3 here. A minus 2 missing. So what is missing? We have to multiply and then we have to divide that also. Okay. Second, next last term, a plus 1 divide by a minus 2, a minus 3. Okay. So a minus 2 is here, a minus 3 is here, which is left a minus 1. So a minus 1 here, a minus 1 here. Now what we need to do, we will make the denominator common. That common denominator is now a minus 1, a minus 2 and a minus 3. Okay, collect the numerators. In the numerator, if you check properly, if you see one time properly, a plus 3 and a minus 3, they are making the identity complete, a square minus b square. So we will write a square minus what is b? 3 square, close in bracket, plus second one also in closing the bracket, a square minus 2 square, identity is completed. If you don't know the identity, so multiply in the simple form, a square. But I will suggest obviously that please keep in mind that you have to understand the identity and make a practice to keep the identities in your mind for a long time, or for your lifelong learning. Make a practice of the identities. A square minus 3 square 9 plus a square minus 2 square 4 plus a square minus 1 square 1. Divide by a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. A square plus a square plus a square. As they are like terms, so it will add it up to 3a square. Minus 9 and minus 4 minus 13. Minus 13 and minus 1 minus 14. Sometimes the students are asking why they are not subtracting. So I will remind the laws of integers again, that positive integers add to give a positive integer. Negative integers add means digits will be added up, sign remains same. Or in the mathematical way, negative integers add to give a negative integer. Okay. So until then, I will make the next part. Thank you so much. Question number 16 and question number 17 of the exercise 15 have been completed in this video. If you will have still any problem, so you can send me the message also for the specific problem. I can solve that problem also. And my humble request is that please stay connected to the concepts. Okay, don't memorize the steps of the question, and don't just connect the questions with the steps as it is. Just try to understand, try to apply the identities in your own way, try to solve algebraic expressions or factorization, or just try to solve in your own way, because there are many ways of solving them, there are many ways of writing them. So always choose your own way. Just try to understand the concept from any teacher, whether me or anyone. Try to understand the basic soul of every topic. Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully you understand my video. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.